Welcome back to our channel Grab Learning Train with Advika
and Happy New Year to all of you. We wish that this new year will bring lots of happiness and success to all of you. And thank you everyone for giving us so much love. And today we are again here with a new topic. And today's topic is
Units of measurement.
so kids, in our today video, we are going to discuss about the measuring of length. So, Advika, do you know what is the meaning of measure?
Measuring means to see how tall or how wide an object is.
Right. Measuring of length means measure how long an object is. Right. So, two different approach to measure an object. Right, Advika?
Yes.
One can be non-standard
and one can be standard.
Right. So, Advika, do you have any idea about non-standard unit of measurement?
The non-standard units are hand span, foot span, forearm or cubit, and there are three. And a pace.
Correct. So basically, non-standard units means those units which are not standard and which is not acceptable by worldwide. Right? What is hand span?
Hand span is the distance between the tip of your thumb to the tip of the pinky finger.
Right. So this is hand span. My hand span is bigger, right? Advika, show your hand span. See, Advika's hand span is smaller than me.
That makes it non-standard.
Right, because it is not fixed for everyone. This is a remote and I am going to measure this remote with the help of my hand span. So, yeah, it is not covered the full hand span.
It is a half hand span.
Yes, it is little smaller, right? Can you see it, kids? It is little smaller. Okay.
The pinky is left.
Yes, this is little smaller. And what about Advika?
For me, it's a full hand span.
Right? So, I can say that hand span is not a standard unit because hand span is different. This measure is different for different person. Okay, this is a pencil box. And what is the length of this pencil box?
It's almost one hand span for my mother.
Yes, it's one hand span for me. You can see that, right? One hand span for me. And let me check it about Advika. It is more than one hand span. One hand span and
one hand span.
One hand span
and three fingers.
And it's almost 3 fingers, right? But for me, it's covered the complete. The length is one hand span. So that's why hand span is considered as non-standard unit because the unit is not fixed. It is different for different persons. So what is cubit?
Cubit is the length.
It is the length. You can take your kids. It is the length from tip of the elbow till tip of the middle finger. Okay, this is the 1 cubit. Okay, one
cubit is also known as forearm.
Yes. Okay. So this is, as you can see in the picture, this is 1 cubit. It is also a non-standard unit because length of cubit is also different for different persons. See, for me, 1 cubit is this much. But for Advika, it is less. See? Right?
Table is 2 cubits and 1 hand span.
Yes. So yesterday, we measured a table and according to Advika cubit, the table is 2 cubit and
1 hand span.
And hand span for her. But for me, the table is completely 2 cubit. So cubit is also a non-standard unit. Cubit, hand span, pace. we can consider some object also as a non-standard unit of measurement. Suppose this is a pencil box and I am considering a pencil as a reference. So according to box is one pencil and half hairpin, right? You can see here the length of the box is one pencil, and you can say that one pencil and two fingers, correct? So I can say that what is the length of this box? The length of this box is one pencil and two fingers, okay? And we can consider hairpin also for non-standard unit of measurement. So Advika will measure it across one,
1, 2, 3, 4,
4.
4.
So it's
And a half. 4 and a half.
4 and a half. So what is the length of this pencil box, Advika?
That pencil box is 4 hairpins and 1/2 hairpin.
Right, kids. So we can take some object also to measure any other object, and that is also considered as a non-standard unit of measurement. To the standard unit. Standard means, kids, standard means it has a fixed value which is acceptable by everyone. Suppose if we are in India, it is acceptable in India also, and if you are moving in any other country, then it is acceptable there also. That is the standard unit of measurement, right? So for length, the standard unit is meter and centimeter. Okay. So for length, the standard unit is meter and centimeter. Atu, what is the relation between meter and centimeter?
Meter is short. Meter is longer than a centimeter.
And 1 meter is equal to
100 centimeters.
Right. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Meter is longer and centimeter are the small units. Some standard devices which we use to measure length, like ruler and what is this, Advika?
Measuring tape.
Measuring tape. So this is a ruler, right, Advika? This is ruler, right? And according to this ruler, the length of the giraffe is 15 and it's 25 centimeter. Okay, kids? And this 25 centimeter is the fix. If I am taking a long ruler also, but the length of the giraffe will be 25 centimeter only. So that is the standard unit, which is standard and which is fixed. But non-standard unit are not fixed. You have to take the measure of this notebook by using both standard and non-standard method. So first, you can use the standard method.
One.
It is the 15 centimeter.
Wait,
right?
Let me check.
Yes, it's 15 centimeter.
30 centimeter.
It is 15 and 15. It is 30 centimeter. According to the standard measurement, the length of this book is 30 centimeter. And according to non-standard measurement, it's one hand span and around 5 finger. And for Advika, it is one hand
span,
2 hand span, right? It is non-standard because for me it is 1 hand span and then around 5 finger. Huh? 1 hand span. For me it is 1 hand span and it is not cover the complete 2 hand span, right? Correct? It is not 2 hand span for me. But for Advika, it is completely 2 hand span. So non-standard means which is not fixed and not standard for everyone. You can understand the difference between standard and non-standard unit. If you have any doubt, then please ask me in comment box. And if you like our videos, then please
like and subscribe to our channel.
we will meet you soon with a new topic. Till that time,
Bye.
bye.